Coming back to CoinSuri's channel is an absolute delight. We have to talk about this in the video since an XRP whale unloaded an absurd quantity of XRP. Ethereum security is now a part of the massive scheme. It would seem that this is correct. It will, in theory, be a security. At the moment, it is unclear when an ETF will be available. This is beyond me. So that those powerful people may get on board, XRP should now become an ETF stock. The stock market will also be covered during the rally. Potential repercussions for the Bitcoin market: the XRP way leads to $1.88. There is no issue. It is beginning to take shape, and we will chop it now that it is gorgeous. According to everyone, rip XRP because it's still only 50 cents. The price movement of XRP is negligible in comparison to other marketplaces. What did you anticipate would happen as a result? There has never been a bull run for XRP that didn't end at the absolute end. Among them, it is the one that turns last. Although the cryptocurrency markets have barely begun to take off, you still anticipate XRP's meteoric rise. So, let's not waste any more time and get to the point about XRP and India. Crypto 47.7 grand. According to the footage from this morning, it's a loss of $1. In the last day, the price of Ether has fluctuated between 25.06 and 5.49%. Let me repeat, both XRP and USDT are up 3.43% in USDC and are approaching the dollar, precisely where we would like them to be. An unpleasant Alina a 50-cent piece. Sure, I get it. Exploding 1.86%, a total of 1,800 trillion has been added to the value of all cryptocurrencies in the past 24 hours. If you haven't seen my video from earlier today, I warned that the market cap of Bitcoin and all cryptocurrencies must reach specific thresholds before they can take off. I just want to stress that I have no idea what you would do if I didn't watch it with you. XRP, just another day in the neighborhood, I suppose. 58 million tokens were offloaded today. Who would have thought? Exact $57,000. The identity of the whale is a mystery due to the gradual sale of XRP. We would love to have some understanding of the why and how, but unfortunately, that is not the case. As you can see in the top right corner of the screen, we do know that the Bitcoin halving is scheduled for around 2 months from now. I am really looking forward to this season because it is my favorite. We are all aware that markets experience boom and bust cycles, but I am at a loss as to how to respond to Bitcoin and other topics. You can find a breathtaking snapshot of Gary Gensler on the right side of this page. His nickname includes Ethereum, Pro, Mo, and Virium. To see whether the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission's claim that most cryptocurrencies are securities holds water, Ethereum will be listed on the only U.S.-registered crypto securities platform. I agree, it's quite interesting. This week, we learned to tie up with China, which is extremely exciting. Pro-MIT, and Pro-Prob theorem. What I'm trying to say, I hope you get. Oddly enough, in most cases, I am the only US-registered crypto securities platform. How then can we proceed? The new crypto securities platform only supports one coin, Ethereum. That is just amazing. That is just amazing. All of the information presented here is factual. I agree. James uses rolling to transform the plot into theorems. The plan to guarantee its theoretical safety is as follows. Sure, I can provide you the precise address. It will be expensive for you to read it. It seems, nevertheless, that Aaron Kaplan is the individual you have in mind. Put simply, he established a new platform for listing cryptocurrency assets, with Ethereum being the sole asset listed thus far. So, are they now admitting that a security exists? It seems like Ethereum has finally admitted that it is a security cryptocurrency, doesn't it? According to Crypto Stock Gain pre-market, as Bitcoin crosses 46,000, Bitcoin broke beyond 46,000 for the first time in nearly a month. Findings show a roughly 20% boost for mining firm CleanSpark by keeping his game going all week. At the moment, the price of Bitcoin is going up, and so are crypto stocks. I suppose it's quite clear why this is occurring. The surging price of Bitcoin propelled cryptocurrency shares like CoinMSTR and mining companies CLSK Wright and Mara to slight gains in Friday's pre-market trading. Furthermore, what follows is it will be 61 days until that event occurs, and since nothing ever happens before or right after an event, I expect stock prices to keep moving up until then. The price of Bitcoin, though, is about to reach a new record high. The cryptocurrency Ripple sent $1.88. Permit me to set this off. My name is Dark the Fed, and I'm writing to keep you updated on what's happening. Those of you keeping tabs can see that we have achieved a remarkable breakthrough. We have broken through to resistance. The RSI resistance is visible there. At the moment, we are striving to pass 52.528, which is rather near. When that is taken care of, we may talk about getting into the 60-cent range. This will allow us to approach the $80 path with more certainty. Given this situation, what needs to happen? The problem, as far as I can tell, is simple. The current price of XRP is awful, hovering around 52 cents. Quickly, we need to break out and hit the 60-cent level. That is what we are focusing on. As soon as it becomes feasible, we will be investigating the breakthrough. Seriously, XRP will encounter issues whenever it takes a turn. It is my belief that once we surpass the 72-cent mark, I think, but I do not have my chart at the ready. Although I'm not sure, I estimate it to be around 72 cents, but I'll share an updated chart with the Patreon group to keep them informed. We may be able to accelerate and surpass the Dow level after we cross that barrier, everyone. We have reached critically significant XRP resistance levels, contrary to your wishes. Truthfully, though, I will tell you that it's $1.92. The previous bull cycle peaked at that point. At that point, we hit a massive obstruction and began to deteriorate. Also, we went behind a gear because the SEC dismissed the action against Ripple, XRP, at that time. There was also the $2.80 mark, or $3 if you're feeling fancy. It is another important region if you want it. But what happens when those break? The years 2017 and 2018 were the only ones in the previous 7 or 8 years that XRP did not experience price discovery. Tell me how price discovery works. As an aside, are you new to this place? Look at this, it's simple. Once a cryptocurrency breaks through, its value reaches an all-time high. After then, the future is uncertain. Curious about the reason? No chart will tell you to weigh, because there is no data shown. Consequently, you can stack as many charts as you want. But that's not how things work. What happens after an interruption to the price discovery process? At that point, I suppose we will learn what XRP is. We should not be surprised if XRP reaches double digits. We don't know what the future holds for XRP, but we're willing to wager that it might range from $15 to $20. The video ends there, I suppose. Please subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot to me. Until next time.